When it comes to money, most people think they are making logical choices. They follow rules, stick to budgets, and avoid obvious mistakes. But here's the surprising truth. What looks rational to the average person is often one of the main reasons they never build real wealth. The reason lies in how people perceive risk, rewards, and time. Human brains are wired to focus on short-term gains and avoid immediate discomfort. This makes many financial decisions, like buying a new car, taking a high-interest loan, or overspending on lifestyle upgrades, seem completely reasonable at the moment. Take, for example, the classic decision to buy a brand new car. For most people, it feels rational. They need transportation, the loan seems manageable, and everyone else has a new car too. Yet from a long-term financial perspective, this is often a poor decision. Cars depreciate the moment they leave the showroom, and financing adds interest costs. Despite this, the choice feels logical because the immediate benefit, comfort, status, or convenience, is very visible, while the long-term cost is invisible or abstract. This isn't just about cars. It happens in almost every aspect of personal finance. People think spending money on luxury items, expensive gadgets, or trendy experiences is reasonable because the benefit is immediate and tangible. Meanwhile, the opportunity cost, what that money could have earned if invested, is ignored because it's delayed, abstract, or uncertain. Another reason poor decisions seem rational is social proof. Humans are social animals, and we naturally copy what others do. If everyone around you is upgrading their lifestyle or taking loans to buy luxury items, it appears rational to follow the same pattern. We trust the crowd more than our independent judgment, even if following the crowd leads to financial strain. Cognitive biases also play a huge role. One example is loss aversion. People fear losses more than they value gains. This can make them hold on to underperforming investments or avoid taking calculated risks that could generate significant returns. At the same time, immediate gratification bias pushes them to spend on things that feel good now rather than invest for the future. When combined, these biases create a perfect storm where poor decisions appear completely rational. Time horizon is another key factor. Most people evaluate financial choices using a short-term lens, thinking in months rather than years. This is why many focus on saving a few $100s today instead of building long-term assets that could grow into tens of thousands over a decade. A short-term lens makes small sacrifices feel painful, while long-term benefits seem uncertain and distant. The interesting thing is that the wealthy often make decisions that look counterintuitive to the average person. They delay gratification, take calculated risks, and focus on long-term value rather than immediate rewards. To the average person, this may seem like they are being frugal, cautious, or even irrational. But in reality, the wealthy are playing a different game, one where patience, leverage, and timing matter more than short-term comfort. Finally, education and exposure matter a lot. People rarely see the full consequences of their choices. They understand the visible side of financial decisions, the price, the immediate benefit, but they rarely grasp the hidden costs or future implications. Without this understanding, even decisions that seem rational can silently drain wealth over time. In the end, poor financial decisions look rational to average people because they are designed to satisfy immediate needs, follow social norms, and avoid short-term pain. But what feels reasonable now often becomes the very barrier to long-term financial success. Recognizing this pattern is the first step. By understanding why your decisions appear logical but may actually be harmful, you can start looking beyond immediate satisfaction and social norms. Only then can financial decisions start to truly work in your favor.